Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you're safe wherever you are. And yesterday night the patch came and we got the Moon Knight uniform. Sorry, Mr. Knight uniform, and man, he looks amazing in this white suit. A perfect gentleman, and should I call him the new God Knight? Yeah, why I'm saying that he's the God Knight, you will see in a bit, guys. But let's check out what the uniform has to offer. So let's check out the uniform effect first. And man, the aesthetics are amazing. Netmarble never disappoints on the aesthetics. And yeah guys, this time they have totally reworked him. So as you can see, his 4-star passive, the guard break immunity and decreases all damage received, and his tier 2 passive has a 30% recovery when you use the 5th skill, that is the Luna punishment skill, which has a 50% all attack, 15% crit rate and other buffs. So he is looking really amazing, but we know Netmarble cannot hit the mark without messing up anything. Yeah, they messed up Moon Knight badly. Like you can see, his 3rd skill has a 15% recovery of max HP, but if he, as I shown you, his tier 2 passive has been changed, and now when you use the 5th skill you get a 30% heal, but unfortunately there's a bug and the heal is not working. So I will show you in the skill preview that this is a bug, and Netmarble should fix this as soon as possible because it is affecting the survivability of Moon Knight. Yeah, and you can see the first skill has slight iframes, mid iframes, and that's a Shadowland skill. Second, his skill has a paralysis and it has a iframe, mini iframe, not full iframe. And the 3rd skill has an iframe and the heal is at the very end there, just like Crossbones, guys. When he throws the grenade and the grenades burst, then he gets the heal. So that is not great because if you get the heal instantly, that's amazing. And the 4th skill is amazing. So as you can see, guys, here there is no heal. Did you see any heal? Let me do it again. There is no healing symbol or anything like that. And we know that the tier 2 skill has a synergy with the 5th skill and you get a 30% recovery of heal, but in this case it is not so. So there definitely it's a bug, and Netmarble should fix this as soon as possible. And man, his awakening looks really amazing. It is long, it is amazing, and it has some crazy buffs. But today we will not be showcasing Awakened Moon Knight, but you will be shocked how amazing and how godly he is. Yeah, so as you can see, I have nothing invested in him. So 41,569 in the void. So by the rank, you already have noticed that I haven't given him a lot of resources, but you will be amazed, you will be blown out how much strong he is. So as you can see, his ignore defense is maxed out and nothing is maxed out at all. 120 attack speed, 66 crit rate, very high. I didn't want that. And 144 crit damage and reduced cooldown is at 47%. So nothing maxed out. Okay, now here's another kicker, guys. He has no Urus. He's just gear 20. I have just equipped the uniform, gave him an ISO set and a custom gear, and level up his 3, 4th and 5th skill. Yeah, that's it. That's the only investment I did in Moon Knight. Oh, sorry, Mr. Knight. And as you can see, type enhancement, it has 0 overdrive ISO set, and this cost me around 6 million to roll. Yeah. And ignore defense crit rate 160 proc. Yeah guys, 160 proc. Uniform is at normal, and the team we will be using is this team. Let's just, for a warm up, let's try Proxima World Boss Ultimate Stage 55. We are just warming up. Let's see how his damage rolls out, and just to learn how I personally know the rotation of the character. So here, as you can see, what the perfect rotation for Moon Knight is 3 cancel, 5 cancel, 4. But this is the first time I used Moon Knight, so you will see that I was discovering the rotation. So I firstly used 5 cancel 4, and then I was trying to move out, and as you can see, the heal is the heal is not being applied in the 5th skill, and that is really sad, and I don't like that because it is costing a lot of survivability. But you can see, guys, just 5 cancel 4 and boom, that damage, man, it's amazing. It's amazing. I know this is stage 55. This is stage 55, a very low stage, but he is not at all built, guys. He is not at all built, but you can look, he is tearing apart. 5 cancel 4 and boom, the damage continues. And yeah, guys, I am using Scarlet Witch as my striker just because Moon Knight doesn't have any defense down in his skill, so no interference of the defense down with the Scarlet Witch's 4th skill, so that is really amazing. And yes, he has the leadership tag. That's why I am using White Fox. You can take advantage of White Fox, and that is really amazing. So as you can see, 10 bar, 9 bar under 1 minute. Yeah, not even 1 minute 30. Oh wow, we got snared. So definitely he's really looking really nice, guys, and his damage is really amazing, and I am very happy just because where he was earlier in the game and now, like, it's day and night, guys. I am asking you all a question. Did you ever used Moon Knight in the past 2 or 3 months or even a year apart from Shadowland? No, no. And that's how they completely change the character and like this type of rig. Okay, we died here. So you can see he can definitely do stage 55. Even he can go up to stage 60. Maybe if we can give him some Urus, so he can definitely go up to stage 50. But we will be using this team up, guys. We will use Doctor Strange tier 3 skill for that 60% all defense down, and then we will switch to Weapon Hex and use her 4 skill to stack 100% of the defense down, and then we will switch to Moon Knight. And let's see what this team does. And the magic is amazing. Yeah, you have shown right. Yeah, guys, this is a stage 80 Proxima Midnight, guys, and I was amazed. I was blown away that he can do stage 80 Proxima Midnight and stage I will not reveal again. Yeah, okay, I will reveal stage 80 Corvus Glaive with this build. Like, nothing invested. He is not awakened, he is not transcended. So what I am doing here, I am just charging the tier 3 skill of Doctor Strange, and as soon I charge it, hit that tier 3 as the summons come out, switch to Weapon Hex, 2/4th skill switch to, and then 3 cancel 5 cancel 4, and boom. Look at that damage, guys. It's disgusting. Like, man, he is so powerful, and I am so happy for Moon Knight. That chain hit damage, guys. Yeah, I forgot to mention one thing, that the chain hit damage got nerfed. Like, it was 40% chain hit damage in the pre-update APK, but they changed it to 30%. So I'm perfectly okay with that, guys. Yeah, it would have been great if we have got 40% chain hit damage, but I'm happy with that. And only complaint I have with this uniform is that the lunar punishment, that's his 5th skill, is still in a bug. So definitely, Netmarble, please fix that as soon as possible. And that is why I'm taking anti-venom, guys. Yeah, Moon Knight has a heal. He has a double healing. And then also I am taking anti-venom. So you can see, guys, he is just tearing apart. He is just tearing apart stage 80 Proxima. Like, we are not even like 1.5 minutes, but we already managed to bring Proxima to 9 bars. And that is amazing. And one more amazing thing about this team up is that Doctor Strange can keep Proxima locked all the time, and you can see the damage, guy. 3 cancel 5 cancel 4 combo, man, that is really amazing. And I'm really excited to transcend him. Yes, I am going to purchase the Biosub. I have already done it just because for Moon Knight. I'm not interested in Mobius. I'm not a fan of the character, but he is also amazing. But what I was all about, I was very much excited for Moon Knight, and you can see why I am excited. Like, he didn't disappointed me. Like, my 1050 crystal is worthwhile, and I am very happy for that. And if you are wondering whether you should purchase the uniform or not, is there any question, guys? Like, this gameplay, any question, guys? This is a must buy. Come on, guys, this is a must buy uniform. And if you love the character, if you want a very powerful character, very amazing, and meta breaking World Boss Ultimate character. He is really amazing character, and I am pretty sure that when I will awaken him, which I will be very soon, as soon as I do Mobius to tier 2, so I will definitely awaken him, and I am pretty sure guys that he can do stage 99 World Boss Ultimate. I have already seen people clearing stage 99 Proxima at level 60. Like boom, you can take that 3-minute clear. Yeah guys, stage 80 Proxima, 160 proc, no Urus, normal uniform, 3-minute clear. And now you tell me that this is not impressive. And if that is not impressive, let's go to Corvus stage 80. We are using 4 ignore dodge strikers. Why I'm using 4 ignore dodge strikers? Just because Doctor Strange's leadership also gives 25% ignore dodge, so that is why. And I managed to put one increased damage dealer striker there, that is Punisher, Cosmic Ghost Rider. So again we will use the same trick guys. Build up the tier 3 of Doctor Strange as soon as possible. Hit the tier 3 as the summons come out. Switch to Weapon Hex, 2 slash, switch to Moon Knight, 3 cancel 4, 5 cancel 4, and boom. That is amazing. And yeah guys, you all know that Corvus has a damage reduction against combat types and other characters apart from the speed types. So this is with an incomplete build, 160 proc, no Urus. And now you cannot tell that this is not a must buy uniform. And if you have any doubt about it, man, I am so sorry that you need help guys. You need help, because this uniform is a must buy. If you consider Rogue a mythic level treatment to the character, then this one is beyond mythic tier. Like Moon Knight was a trash character, and Netmarble completely revamped him, gave him 7 skill changes, completely revamped the tier 2 skill and the 4th skill. By the way, tier 2 skill is in bug, so please fix that, Netmarble. Again I am saying that. And if he gets that 30% heal, that clutch 30% heal on the 5th skill, man, his survivability would be amazing. Because you can't rely on the heal of the 3rd skill, just because 3rd skill has the heal at the very end of the skill, and the first half of the skill is in iframe but the end is not in iframe, so you are vulnerable to bleed and other attacks from the bosses, so that can kill you instantly. And yeah man, I'm really impressed, man. Amazing rework. Keep it up, Netmarble. I love when they do this kind of treatment to a very underused character. They did it with Brawn, that is Amadeus Cho. They did it with Red Skull and Dr. Octopus, and now they did it with Moon Knight. And I am like Moon Knight's rework is beyond Omega tier, guys. Yeah, Omega tier, beyond Omega tier. Like look at that damage, guys. That's disgusting. And I am so happy for Moon Knight. And yeah, I have seen some people on the forum asking for Moon Knight's uniform, Moon Knight rework, and I'm very happy that they finally got their favorite character. And if you are sad that your character still like I am Spider-Man, please, Netmarble, rework him. Yeah, so as you know, I am a Spider fan, and I would like to see a rework like this for Spider-Man. So yeah guys, he is really amazing, and I think he has some PvP potential, guys. Yeah, that healing, that iframe, like he has intermediate iframes, and that awakened skill and transcendence. When you transcend that stat boost, that would make him a PvP killer. I guess so. I have not yet tested, but I think he will be good in PvP too. I will awaken him definitely, and the gameplay will very soon be available in the channel. So be subscribed for that, guys. So here tier 3 skill, and I guess we will complete it right here, 3-5, and boom, 33 seconds left, stage 80. So I guess stage 81 or 82 is possible, but again it will be so close. So yeah guys, Moon Knight, Mr. Knight, sorry man, Mr. Knight is amazing. This uniform is definitely a must buy, guys. It's worth purchasing. Your crystal will not gonna be waste. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you very much and be safe.